Pressing Tab to indent a list moves to the next table cell. I have a list, for example, a bulleted list, in Microsoft Word. This list is inside a table cell. When I press Tab to an NBSP, increase the indent, rather than increasing the indent, it moves the cursor to the next cell. When I try Ctrl plus Tab, it just inserts a tab character without changing the indentation of the bullet paragraph. How can I turn this off, so it does not go to the next cell but rather just indents the list?
Shift plus Alt plus right arrow key will demote your bullet inside a table, whilst Shift plus Alt plus left arrow key will promote your bullet.
This is not, strictly speaking, an answer to your question, but rather a solution to your problem. In NBSP, you can increase the indent by clicking on the Increase Indent button in the paragraph group on the Home tab of the ribbon. And Alt, Edit and GT. If you have musophobia, fear of mice and rats, you can use Alt plus H. If necessary, to select the Home tab of the ribbon, and Alt plus I. And Alt /Edit and GT.
As far as I know, there's no way to turn this off entirely, but the best method I've seen is the one given by Microsoft directly. To indent inside a table cell, click in front of the text or numbers you want to indent, and then press Ctrl plus Tab.
When I have had to enter indents into tables, I have always done this. Enter some obscure text where you want your indents, example, tab text. Find and replace the text with a tab by entering T in the Replace With box.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.